Hello my friends, it's been a good week and we have had a lot of blessings this week, thanks God. Today I'm gonna show you personal gift. My birthday is coming up. I bought myself a gift and it's to improve the quality of my videos for you guys. So I hope you like this review. So this is a camera that I've been looking for a long time. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, I like to do some reviews about some products, and mainly I do kids products or products that I like as a mom. Today I'm showing you my new camera, and it's this Canon EOS M50. Is the model is mirrorless, and this is the unboxing video. Here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, so I wanted to mention that I live in Canada, so I actually tried to buy it on Amazon, but I wasn't able to. So I had to go and buy it on Best Buy. But I will be linking the Amazon products that you can find in the description below. So you can, if you're interested in getting one, you can get one there, the same one. And today I'm using my old glasses just because my new ones are broken at the moment. Hopefully they can be fixed. So that's why you can see my old glasses here. This is the band, this is the camera. So I'm just gonna take everything out first. This is the lens. Here is the battery. And here's the battery charger. A battery charger. And I'm gonna show you how it looks when you plug it in. The first light, it says charge. I don't know if you can see it, but it will light up when I plug it in again. And the second one says full. Okay, there. We are gonna get the lens. So it has, it's like this, and it has the cover or the lid for the lens, and you can see here the lens. See how big it is. It's not that big and it's not heavy at all. To pull it out, you just pull it like here, from here, like so. And this is the lid of the lens, of the actual lens. So here you can see it. Okay. Okay, so now let's see the camera. Okay, looking good so far. Okay, so you have the lid here. Let me just zoom in so you can see it. 1 second. Here is the camera, the lens, the charger. I just show it to you. And as you can see here, this is how it looks like. This is the front. This is above the camera. And this is behind. I will open it in a minute. And this is below the camera. Now let's take the lid off. You need to turn it, and here it is. This button is so you can push out the lens here. Okay, so let's try and put it on. This is how it looks like, and I will just make sure these guys go here. And there it is. And then we want to see how the screen looks like. So let's see. And you can actually turn it like this and put it like this. Okay. So you can connect here, from here, the HDMI. Here you can connect it to Wi-Fi, so you can transfer your pictures to your phone, turn it on from here. But because we don't have any batteries, and you can put it on your tripod here by using this. So now let's open where the card and the battery. Here it is. So you will plug in your card here and your battery here. So the battery is now on. I'm going to show you the first light. It was charging, and now the battery seems to be full, so we can take it out now. So we have the battery full charge now. We can put this guy away. We need to make sure these guys go with those. So we put it there like so. There it is. This little guy is protecting it from getting out. Now we close it, and now we're gonna turn it on. Let's see. Here, where we have the triangle, we're gonna push it out. You can see how the lens will go, and it will tell me right away that there is no card in the camera. I have no card in the camera, but these are the options, the default options that we have here. Okay, so remember, we have to push here in order to focus. Turn it down to 15, let's say. And 15, I can focus. And maybe do this. This is the manual. You can rotate from here, and you can start focusing here. Want to record video is set as default as 4K. This is the menu. I just opened it. I haven't read the manual, but this is how it looks like. And about the weight, it's a little bit heavy, not too much. It can be held in one hand easily. These are some of the options that it has. I wanted to show you a few more things. One of the things that I didn't see on other review videos, if you're new or if you don't know much about cameras like me, this thing is for you to put like mount shock for a microphone or for a light. If you want to add something else to your Canon, like another accessory or feature, you can add this here, and I'm gonna show you how. So in this case I have this Rode microphone, and it has a feature here like a square just like this, which is the one that I just took off. So you will put this here and it fits perfectly like that. The other thing that I wanted to show you was how you can connect the microphone. So here is the microphone input. You will use this one to put it here like so. So this will be here, and you will be wondering how will my selfie will affect this. You will be doing this and then moving it like you want, and then like that. And yes, the cable will take a bit of a selfie from this part of the camera, but I don't mind. I think it's not the big deal. And I think that's it. That's all I got for this review from the Canon EOS M50. I hope you like it, and I hope that you let me know if you notice the difference of quality from my before videos or from the videos that I'm going to be making from now on with my Canon EOS M50. If you want, or if you like a few more tutorials or any other detailed video about the Canon M50, just let me know and I will make sure I put it on my list for my next videos. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.